everyone, welcome back with another video of Cybrosys. In this video, let's see how to create and manage support tickets in Odoo 19 using Helpdesk module. So you all know that how much importance that we are giving for the Helpdesk module inside Odoo 19. We'll walk through the ticket creation, assigning it to the right team, changing stages and completing the ticket as well. Okay, so let's start by opening the Helpdesk module from the Odoo 19, and here you will get the dashboard of Helpdesk module, and there you can find my tickets, customer care, IT support, VIP support and my performance. And let's head over to the tickets, and here we can simply create a new ticket using on my ticket or moving to the all ticket. Okay, so let's head over to my tickets and let's create a new one. And there you can simply get a form like this. Okay, so there we have different kind of things. So first you need to give a particular ticket that it may be the complaint that comes from your customer side in any of the product or something like that. Okay, so there we have an example which is product derived damage. So here I'm going to give another example which is system login issue. Okay, once I'm done with that, here we have the Helpdesk team. So inside a company, we have different kind of Helpdesk team, which mean the customer care. There we have the VIP support, IT support and everything. So you can simply assign a particular Helpdesk team inside while we are creating a ticket. Okay, so and there we have the customer care team, and there we have the assign it to, which means you can simply assign this to a particular person, and there we have the priority. So if you want to put any priority inside the ticket because this customer needs an urgent solution for the particular ticket, you can simply give a priority for this ticket. Okay, so the Helpdesk team and the person who is signed to the ticket can easily identify how much importance that we need to give for the particular ticket. Okay, so there you can simply give the priority for the ticket, and there we have the tags. So easy identification or the easy searchability, you can simply provide any kind of tags that representing or corresponding to the particular ticket. So let me provide this is the service, and here we have the customer. So you need to provide the customer information. So if this is not a new customer or an existing customer, you can simply provide the detail of the customer from the DB. Okay, so once you are providing every detail of the customer, it will be saved in your Odoo DB. So you don't want to fill up in the customer name and everything from starting. Okay, so here I'm going to give an existing customer, or you can simply provide a new customer information from here itself. Okay, so let it be aquatic, and you can simply understand it auto-populated the phone number and everything. So you can simply move to the link and identify what are the things. Okay, so there we have the things, and here we have the description. Under the description, you can simply provide what is the issue actually happens to your customer, actually happens inside your company or something else. So you can simply give a detailed description about the problem, and you can attach the screenshot or whatever that the person or the customer that gives you, okay, for the additional information. And there we have the extra information. Inside the extra information, there you can find the company name and everything. And another important thing inside the ticket is our ticket creation as the chatter box. So it's very helpful to send internal message using these tickets, and it is very important to give the messages inside your team or everything. Okay, and now we are moving to the top of the session of the tickets, and there you can find three options, which is the plan, intervention, share on forum, and convert this into opportunity. So some of the tickets are arriving different kind of questions or different kind of problem, so we need to give a solution. So maybe the solution is bitterly a sale order or something else. So you can simply convert this ticket into an opportunity. So soon in our YouTube channel, I'm going to upload a video about how to convert a ticket into an opportunity. So you can simply check out that. So there we have an option for that, and there we have an option to share the forum and planning then mention inside our ticket. Okay, and there you can find different kind of stages inside the ticket, which is new, in progress, and hold, and there we have much more, which means in sold and cancelled. Okay, so once you are created a ticket, you can simply move this ticket from the new stage into the progress. Okay, So once you're moving into the progress that have been in progress, and if you want to hold on this particular ticket, you can simply move the stage into hold on. And there we have another thing, which means if this ticket or this problem is solved, you can simply put the stage on the solver. And if it is cancelled, you can simply put on it cancel. Okay. So once you're done with the ticket creation, you can simply move to my tickets, and there you can find our ticket. Okay. So for that, just remove this and let's head over to the Kanban view. And there we have the solver ones. It's like folded in stage. Let's head over to the folded stage, and there we have our ticket, which is system login issue. So you can simply find all the stages inside the Kanban view. I think it's more good to look into the Kanban view because you can simply understand all the things and everything. Okay. So that's all about this video, how you can simply create a ticket inside Helpdesk module and you can assign that to a particular person, and what are the stages inside a ticket and how you can simply solve this. Okay. So I hope you all understood this video. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends. I'll be back with another tutorial. Till that, bye-bye.